All right, so we're back with the Hoover Elite Swivel XL Pet with Max Life. We have the cat litter disaster rug. So this is the first test of how well this vacuum works, and this is the toughest test I could put it to, so let's go. So one forwards and backwards pass, as you can see, vacuum steers very easily. As you can see, going to the side worked pretty well. But as you can see, the Max Life had zero problem with this. So I'm going to take this rug out of the way and we're going to clean under. So now let's clean underneath the rug and see what it can do. Recline. First impressions are good, not too loud. Not the most amazing edge cleaning, but again, it's not a Dyson, so. That did a heck of a job, so let's keep cleaning. Okay, so now we can see how well this machine works on this area of carpet. So let's get going. Now that we've cleaned the carpet in a wide mode, I'm gonna put on the camera on the stabilizer and let's get some close-ups. Meanwhile, in the kitchen, somebody What? What is it? What? What could you possibly want? What is it? What? Mm-hmm. What is it? Uh-huh. Are you cooking? Are you cuckoo? Look at this. Why are you making such weird noise? It's making weird noise. Anyways, back to the video. All right, now let's see how well it performed close up. Pet hair is not a problem for this vacuum. This large piece of wicker, I think, from a cat toy that the cat's just completely destroyed. . see much visible agitation. Again, visible agitation doesn't really have much to do with cleaning. It's only fun to look at. Vacuum without any visible agitation can still clean just fine. Unless there is a cord left out. Glad we went back over here. Whoops. Let's go see how well it performs on hard floor. All right, let's set it to the hard floor setting. Hard floor, you can see we have a mixture of dirt here. Let's see how well it performs. Dang, come on. Easily transitions to this lower pile rug. Completely, don't worry. There's one more test and I'll be right back. The final test is the low pile rug in the dining room. Whoops. All right. Time to check the filters. I'll be right back. All right, so we are back. Let's check the results. The bin, as you can see, is pretty full of lots of pet hair. There's hair stuck all across here. See, the cyclone has collected a lot in the center chamber. Let's see what's collected on top of the cyclone. That's like gotten past it. You see, since it is only a single cyclonic machine, there is some dirt past the cyclone. If you look down here, there is some dirt past the cyclone. Let's take the filter out and look at how much. But the filter itself is very clean. It says clean every 3 to 6 months. Just remove dirt cup, remove filter, rinse with water, 24 to 48 hours to fully dry. and replace the filter. Is there a seal? It doesn't seem like there's a seal there holding this in place, but it fits so tight it should be fine. There's a seal on the bottom of the bin, I believe, right there, sealing the bin to the machine. So overall, let's check the brush roll. Actually, I don't really see anything in the brush roll. So overall, this Hoover has performed quite well in my first tests. I would use the tools, but there really isn't anything to use the tools on right now. I'll vacuum relatively recently with the Dyson V15 Detect, so there really, unfortunately, isn't much to test the tools on. But for now, this vacuum is doing a very good job. I'm impressed with how well it did on carpets. It cleaned up the cat litter and the pet hair really easily. And it also did a pretty good job on hard floors, surprisingly. It's not amazing, but most vacuums at this price range don't work well on hard floors. You have to go up a decent bit more money before you get a vacuum that can do both hard floors and carpets well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you all next time.